आपने वो दोनों ही कर दिया है.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that.
lot of women in the film. I have always had one person, and mostly men, come and ask me that we always hear कि जब बहुत सारी औरतें एक साथ होती है तो बहुत फ्रिक्शन होता है. तो कैसा था आपके सेट पे? I have never been part of a film where there were women, where there has been nothing but love, compassion, and camaraderie on set. And on this set, I would especially like to say, I would just like to tell you all one thing. On the last day when we wrapped shoot, we were all hugging each other and crying. That's how much we were going to miss the set. We have all become very, very close to each other. Not just the actors, even our ADs, our production team, our art team, our costume team, everybody was so supportive of each other. And we shot in a very small amount of time. Like we shot for a very few number of days. So we were really going at the scenes at record pace. We didn't have too much time to really sit and form bonds. All of this happened through the process of the work that we did. And it was absolutely lovely to be part of this team of actors. They are just phenomenal on their own. And as a team, they are wonderful. You will know when you watch the film.
इसी में मैं कुछ ऐड करना चाहूँगी. वो ऐसा है कि जो गिरिजा ने कहा है वो बिल्कुल सही कहा है. लेकिन एक और बात मैं इसमें ऐड करना चाहूँगी. जब भी आप ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट करते हो जिसमें सोल जुड़े हुए रहते हैं, जिसमें सच्चाई होती है, जिसमें ऐसा इवेंट होता है जो अंदर से आपको, आपके अंदर के इंसान को झकझोर के रख देता है, तब इन सारी चीज़ों के लिए समय नहीं होता. ये ऐसी सोलफुल फिल्म है जिस वजह से हम सारे लोग, मतलब हमने शायद कम बातें की होंगी. बहुत सारे ऐसे सीन्स हुए हैं जिसके बाद बात करने का मन भी नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन वो कनेक्टेड है एक दूसरे के साथ. और मैं एक, क्योंकि गिरिजा है, ईशा है, हम एक दूसरे को पहले से जानते हैं, लेकिन मैं इनके बारे में कहना चाहूँगी कि द वे शी कम्स ऑन सेट और हर किसी का किरदार अच्छा परफॉर्म होने के लिए एक जो इंटेंसिटी लगती है, मुझे लगता है कि ये जो चित्र है ना, ये सच में एक सोलफुल, जिसमें आत्मा है, और वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ होती है. तो कुछ प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं जिसमें अंदर से इंसान इतना बाहर निकल के आता है, और ये वो प्रोजेक्ट है.
I want to ask a question. First and foremost, it's lovely seeing so many women on stage.
Lovely to see you here. You look fit and fabulous and sexy.
Okay. Thank you. I wanted to ask you, did you get permission to shoot at Kama Hospital?
Yes, I did. We in fact did the exteriors of the hospital and the surrounding areas. क्योंकि obviously hospital में तो आप disturb नहीं कर सकते. It's a functioning hospital. लेकिन we got the real Kama building भी, वो जो एक adjacent new building है, वो सब we've used that.
I also wanted to know from all of you, where were you on the 26th of 11 when this happened?
You know, it's so crazy. I was here. I was at this very place in Infinity Mall on the 26th of 11. I just realized that. There was a film premiere and I was in the audience and everybody's phone started to ring and they had to stop the show. And we gathered in the foyer and that's when we knew.
You know, I have a crazy story. I was, we were, you know, all coming up and working with Bhatt Saab, and, you know, we were all strugglers in the Vishesh films. So Shahana Goswami, she had, I think, got a house in Yari Road or somewhere. And there were these old friends, and she's like, come over to my house and we should have a party. So Shagufta and Shahana and all of us were there. And we were having a party there. And then Bhatt Sahab just came in. Bhatt Sahab came in and he started, he just entered and he's like, put the TV on, put the TV on. And we were dancing and we were just having fun. And he started to watch TV and he's like, there is terrorist attacks happening. And then we went to Shana and we were like, what should we do? Should we go home now? Should we continue partying? What should we do? So she said, the Bhatt Sahab said, nobody should leave now, just wait. So we were at a bunch of 20, 25 people partying at Shahna's house, and then Bhatt Sahab broke it to us. Otherwise, we didn't know. So this, I remember it very.
मैं तो टैक्सी में